In this video, I'll show you how to send voice messages on Discord. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device. Voice messages are currently available mainly on mobile, so make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Next, go to the direct message or server channel where you want to send the voice message. At the bottom of the chat, look for the microphone icon next to the message box. To record your message, tap and hold the microphone icon, then start speaking. You'll see a recording indicator while you talk. When you're done, release the button to send the voice message instantly. If you want more control, you can also slide up while holding to lock the recording. This allows you to record hands-free. When finished, tap the send button to deliver your message. Before sending, you can also listen to the preview or cancel the recording if needed. Voice messages are a quick and easy way to communicate without typing, especially for longer messages or when you're on the go. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.